Sa Bestok, makaubanta karong buntaga ang maanyag ug talented nga lyricist and poet, Miss Therese Villarante. Mayong buntag, Therese. Kumusta ang imong kabuntagon?
Good morning, Cecil. Thank you so much for having me today.
It's our pleasure to have you, Therese. Busa, let's start our morning by knowing more of you, Therese. Kanusa jud ka nagsugod og suwat og mga short stories and poems?
Actually, dugay-dugay na jud. I remember first writing my poems when I was still in 3rd grade. O yeah, mga bati pa in taon kayo ako mga poems. But then I also picked up with writing lyrics mga 2014. And up until now, I'm really pursuing with the creative writing process.
Amazing. Bata pa lang ka when you found out that you have this skill of writing beautiful stories and poems. Pero, who influenced you to do creative writing?
Daghan kong influences when it comes to writing. I really draw inspiration from different forms of storytelling. So, na-inspire ko og mga songwriters, the songs that I listen to, the books that I read, even mga musicals nga ako magipang tanaw. So whatever form of storytelling for me, it's really inspirational.
Pero sa kadaghanan nimong nahimo, unsa jud ang imong pinakaganahan na piece?
Akong pinaka-favorite for now is called To the Writer Who Can't Finish Anything. And for a song that I co-wrote with Mary Enchit and Vincent Eco, it's called Ibog.
And of course, Therese, aside sa pagmugna og mga short stories and poems, you also excel in singing. Unsa jud to imong paborito nga song that you have ever written? Gawa sa Ibog that you mentioned earlier.
Okay, there are a lot actually. I also co-wrote My Morena Girl by Hey Joe Show. I co-wrote Book Love. It's sung by Kurt Stick and me. So those are some of my most favorites as well. So, Bisaya nga kanta. Oo.
Pues, mamahimo ba, Therese, nga mangayo mi og sample this morning gikan nimo? Okay. Perhaps a very short stanza or chorus of any song that you wrote.
Okay. Perting dakua ining atong gugma ngilngig panis mantika humba. Promise this is pinaka-last nga extra rice, plus potato corner fries. Ugma lang ta magbayat ha, kay manang bukaya, tut me ang in la So that song is called Book Love.
Nganong ingana ang title sa song, Therese? Nganong Book Love?
It's about a couple. Ever since they were together, kay nanambuk jud sila. Kay it's inspired by real life stories, di ba nga? If magkauyab, especially if comfortable na kayo ta, manambuk ta because we're happy and we enjoy food more.
Tinood. Murag mas lami ikaon kung nakikauban.
Oo.
Nice song, Therese. And of course, please promote all your social media accounts kung asa nila pwede mapaminaw ug mabasa ang imuhang mga obra, Therese.
Okay. On Facebook, you can just search me, Therese Villarante. On YouTube as well, it's Therese Villarante. And then I also have my Instagram account, which is Therese Little Stories. I'll be releasing an EP of my poems every month. So right now, Fireflies, it's already on Facebook and YouTube, and I hope that you can check them out.
And of course, my recent favorite work from you, kaning imuhang poem, ang Fireflies. Pwede ba nga imuhaming mahatagan og a few lines kung unsa to ang imuhang pinaka-paborito nga linya sa imuhang poem?
Okay. I am a child with no nets and no bottles, and all I have are words. Kaya siya.
Why that line, Therese? Why that line, Therese? Nga nung kanadjud nga linya ang pinaka-impactful para kanimo?
Fireflies, it's about chasing after the things that sparkle or the light of your life. So for me, it's about just really the patience of pursuing what you love and yes, you may not have everything that you want right now, but then you're also in control. You're in control and you can pursue it. You can have it if only you set your heart and mind to it.
Thank you, Kayo Therese, for being the light of our life this morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the great conversation, Pod. I look forward to seeing you someday as well.
Yes, soon. Thank you, Therese.
Thank you, Cecil.